guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this Burgundy Smoky eye. I love this look. I love how it came out, and I didn't wear any false eyelashes because of this new mascara I've been using. So if you want to know what it is, please stick around and keep on watching. And yeah, without further ado, stick around and let's get into the video. So I already have my foundation, concealer, and powder, as well as my eyebrows done. I'm gonna jump right into the eyes and then we'll go back and finish the face after. So to start off, I am going to use the Kylie Cosmetics Burgundy palette, as well as my Modern Renaissance palette. I really wanna do like a burgundy smoky eye today. Okay, so to start off, I'm gonna go in with Tempera right here. Load it up on this flat shader brush. And I'm gonna go right on my brow bone with this color. All right, and with this Anastasia brush that came with the palette, I'm gonna go into the Kylie Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna go into Beach, which is right here. I'm gonna put that all up in my crease. Now I'm gonna go into Burnt Orange in the Anastasia palette on the same brush and put that in the crease as well. Okay, to deepen this look up, I'm gonna go into Almond and maybe a bit of Brick. I'm gonna like mix them because I can't decide on what I wanna do. Okay, so for the lid, I'm gonna take this flat shader brush and I'm gonna go into Burgundy, which is the middle shade in the Kylie palette. Load up that brush. So you really wanna work on focusing this color right at the lash line and not worry so much about the crease at this moment in time. When you're packing colors onto the lid, my best advice is you really want to like pat it on. Don't go in with like crazy swiping motions to get it on there, because that's when you'll experience a lot of the fallout and just make a disaster. So to blend it better, I'm going to go in with Love Letter in the Anastasia palette. And that's what I'm really gonna focus on in the crease and blending them together. Okay, again with that flat shader brush, I'm gonna go in with Love Letter and pack that on the lid too, just to give it way more vibrance. Just gonna go nothing on the brush, blend everything. So as a highlight in my inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Primavera and highlight the inner corners of my eyes. So next I'm gonna go in and curl my eyelashes. Okay, so next for mascara, I'm using the new Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. All right, this mascara is life. It is so good. I literally cannot say enough good things about it. I've gotten so many compliments on my eyelashes, and if you watch any of my most recent videos, you'll know that I had eyelash extensions, and most of the time when you get those taken off, your eyelashes are pretty wonky, and this makes me look like I'm wearing false eyelash extensions. Like, my eyelashes are amazing. You'll see. Honestly, because my eyelashes look so good, I don't even know if I want to do false eyelashes. They just make them so long. Okay, so to contour, I'm gonna go with my KKW Beauty Contour Kit. I got mine in medium. Look how good it is. So I'm mixing the two bronzer and contour shades to do my contour. For blush, I'm going to go in with my NARS blush palette, and I think this is Power Play. I'm going to go in with this shade, the darker one. For highlight, I'm going to go back into the contour kit. I'm going to use the pink shade. For my lower lash line, because I seem to always neglect that, I'm going to go and start in with Beach from the Kylie Cosmetics palette. Now with this flat brush, I'm going to go into the burgundy color. Alright guys, my camera died, obviously, so my lip combo is Stripped Down and Respect by Laura Mercier, the matte lipstick, and I put Buxom Sophia gloss on top, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video.